Welcome to a presentation about history of science in discovering the structure of the atom, brought to you by your neighborhood doctors. Please remember that we will cover the topic in general terms. Please consult your doctors for specific questions pertaining to you. An analogy to explain the structure of the atom is to imagine a solar system. The nucleus of the atom is like the sun, and the electrons are like planets orbiting around it. Just as planets orbit around the sun, electrons orbit around the nucleus in different energy levels. The nucleus is made up of protons and neutrons, which are like two different types of planets. Symptoms of the structure of the atom being discovered include a greater understanding of the physical world around us. This includes an understanding of how matter is composed and how it interacts with other matter. Additionally, this discovery has allowed us to develop new technologies such as nuclear power and nuclear weapons. Finally, this discovery has also allowed us to better understand the universe and its origins. The history of science in discovering the structure of the atom is a fascinating one that has been studied by scientists and historians alike. It is a story that spans centuries, from ancient Greek philosophers to modern physicists. The discovery of the structure of the atom has been credited to many different people, including John Dalton, J.J. Thomson, Ernest Rutherford, Niels Bohr, and others. Demographically speaking, this history is largely dominated by men. While there have been some notable female scientists who have contributed to our understanding of atomic structure, such as Marie Curie, most of the major discoveries have been made by men. This is likely due to the fact that women were not allowed to pursue higher education in many parts of the world until relatively recently. In terms of geography, most of the major discoveries in atomic structure have come from Europe and North America. This is likely due to the fact that these regions had access to more resources and funding for scientific research than other parts of the world during this time period. The discovery of the structure of the atom was a long and complex process that began in the late 19th century. Scientists had been studying atoms for centuries, but it wasn't until the late 1800s that they began to understand their structure. This was due to advances in technology such as X-ray diffraction and electron microscopy, which allowed scientists to observe atoms in greater detail. Additionally, new theories about atomic structure were developed by scientists such as J.J. Thomson, Ernest Rutherford, and Niels Bohr. These theories help scientists understand how electrons are arranged within an atom and how they interact with each other. Finally, quantum mechanics provided a mathematical framework for understanding the behavior of atoms on a subatomic level. All of these advances combine to give us our current understanding of the structure of the atom. Treatment of this condition is not necessary, as it is a part of history. However, understanding the structure of the atom can help us to better understand the world around us and how it works. It can also help us to develop new technologies and treatments for diseases. By understanding the structure of the atom, we can create new medicines and treatments that are more effective and efficient than ever before. Additionally, understanding the structure of the atom can help us to better understand our environment and how it affects our health. The prognosis of the discovery of the structure of the atom is very positive. This discovery has revolutionized our understanding of matter and energy and has enabled us to develop new technologies that have improved our lives in countless ways. From medical imaging to nuclear power, the structure of the atom has enabled us to make advances that would have been impossible without it. As we continue to explore and understand the structure of atoms, we can expect even more advances in technology and medicine. Thank you for listening to this presentation brought to you by Talking Raymond. For information, check us out retinally.com/info. Be safe. Love you.